Hi, my name is Christopher Stapler, and I'm an undergraduate student from Iowa State University majoring in computer engineering. During my summer undergraduate research at Florida experience, I was invited to work on the iPop project led by Dr. Renato Figueiredo in the Advanced Computing and Information Systems Laboratory in the Department of Computer and Electrical Engineering here at the University of Florida. iPop is an open-source user-centric software virtual network allowing end users to define and create their own virtual private networks or VPNs. iPop virtual networks provide end-to-end tunneling of IP or Ethernet over tin can links set up and maintained through a control API to create various software-defined VPN overlays. For this research experience, I was focused mainly on creating a testing environment for iPop overlays. This testing environment objectives were the following. First, to provide an automatic and scalable deployment of iPop instances. Next, enhance productivity by providing the ability to test and visualize the correctness of the iPop source code. And finally, to allow for performance and dependability evaluation.